Hello everyone, it's me Jung from Crafting World. Today in this video we'll learn how to make a pinwheel using a paper. So without any further more delay, let's begin. So for this you need to have firstly a triangle shaped paper. It's containing of 8 pieces. You can take the similar color also, depend upon you. And if you want to use various colors, then you can use the various colors, but there should be total number of pieces should be in 8 of number. So I have a total 8 pieces here, triangle shape it. You can use a small size triangle shape it also if you wish, but there is no restriction what size of triangle should you use. It depends upon you how big or how small you want to make those kind of triangles. So the next thing you need is a circle shaped, 2 small circle shaped papers. You can see here 2 circle shaped small papers you will be needing, and the third thing you will be needing you can use a small stick or a toothpick also. You can use a toothpick also. Here I am using a toothpick. If you don't have a toothpick, you can use any small sticks. And third and the last thing, you need to have one long size rectangular shaped paper. You can use any color. So here I'm using white. So let's begin. What you need to do, you need to take this one piece of paper from here and you need to glue it like this. So let me show you nearby. You need to glue it here like this. Glue it here like this. So let me glue it. You need to glue in this way. So again you need to glue and paste the other color in this way, just like on the 90-degree angle. In this way you need to glue on the 90-degree angle color. So similarly in this way you need to glue in the next color this way, and the other this way. So you keep on pasting each one of the paper until you complete all the papers pasting on it. Now after making this kind of shape, after pasting each one of the paper over each other, so you will get this kind of shape. Now what you need to do is you need to fold this one. You need to take just like this and glue it here, and again keep on doing the other, keep gluing here, just keep gluing all the things, and I'll show you the complete process. So our paper windmill is almost ready, that is the pinwheel is almost ready. So last what you need to do, the small circle shape which you have cut earlier, just you need to glue it and paste it above those paper pinwheel. Once glued, you can just paste it on the center, just like this. Now using a pin, you can just make a hole here. Just make a hole here in the center. So you can make a hole. Just make a hole. Now insert a stick under it. Yes, I've inserted a stick just like this. Insert a stick and we'll make a stand lastly. Now our stick is ready, as you can see. Now what you need to do, take this one. Now you can see here you need to insert here, and just after inserting just fold it in some part, just like this. Fold it. So I'll try to bring a fan near one so that you can see. whether it's rotating or not. So you can see if I put a pen, it will just rotate it. So you can see. So it's not that very easy to make a pinwheel. I'm sure in the childhood days most of you have seen this kind of pinwheel. So using this cool tutorial you can make a simple pinwheel which will be very liked for the childrens and mainly some elderly people also. They will surely like this kind of pinwheels. So try it out by yourself, and if you find this video tutorial useful, click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.